Hi everyone, this is Jian. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Today I'm going to make autumn leaf collection with buttercream. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare the autumn color buttercreams and how to paint the leaves with the buttercream. If you're new to my channel, I hope you to enjoy this video and subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. Here's my 6-inch cake. It's nicely covered and chilled. You can work right ahead after icing the cake, but you can lower the chances of messing it up when you make a mistake, so I highly recommend you to chill the cake. I'm going to spread my white buttercream on the baking sheet and add some food coloring underneath so I can mix and use them while I'm working. I have juniper green, rose color, burgundy, and buttercup yellow. And we also need some red color. I'm going to use the super red and buckeye brown from Chef Master. I have 6 colors on my palette. I'm going to mix them while I'm working. And today I'm going to use these 3 palette knives. I'll start with the brown color to make oak leaves. When you're making some leaves with the palette knife and it's not a single leaf, it's easier when you have some guideline. So I made a middle guideline and I started to add small amounts of buttercream. It's easier when you have to make some shapes. So I picked up some buttercream by using one side of my palette knife and I started to add from outside towards the center so I can keep the shape, and I can also make the curvy lines for the oak leaves. So now I think I have enough oak leaves, so I'm going to move on to different leaves with different color tones. I'm using this darker tone green to make this single leaf. First I made half of the leaf and then I add another half by using opposite side of my palette knife. So pick up your buttercream by using one side of your palette knife and use the opposite side to complete the half. You can make a bigger leaf or smaller size leaf or different color shades. I think this leaf is really easy and fun to add it on your cake, and I think this will look also beautiful with the flowers. And finally, my third leaf is the maple leaf. This is one of my favorite because I like the bright red colors. I'm going to show you how to make this maple leaf. For the colors, I used Super Red from Chef Master, and I mixed a little bit of brown from my palette. So first, use a pointy palette knife and make a guideline. I made a middle line, and from the middle line I made 45-degree line, and I add 90-degree guideline, and then gently add the petals one by one. The key point is making the leaf pointy at the end.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through, no limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
I hope you are enjoying this video. If you have any questions, please write me in the comments below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. The next one is palmate leaf. It's an opened hand-shaped leaf, but I don't really know the exact name, but it has 5 leaves that's an open shape, so it's called palmate leaf. This looks really delicate, and I wanted to add some different shape of leaf on my cake, so I picked this one to add some accent. So I'm going to add some on the top and some of them on the side of my cake. And I'm also adding a single touch leaf. It's gonna be 2-layered leaf, but while you're adding the second layer, you kind of wiggle down and make a shape with the movement and add some details in the middle.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the